All right, 5 hours later, day number 44. Hey, it's full. 40 cubic yards is full. Let me walk you through now the same day. I tell you, my crew is incredible. The cats know how to get. There we go. It's 1 bedroom. Didn't touch the bathroom. That'll be tomorrow. Boom. All that junk. Refer to the earlier video. Yeah, all done. About 5 hours. And I was surprised, my flooring, just like my roof, they had multi-layers. So the flooring, which was great, is all wood, except for a few pieces that we're gonna have to, they're rotted out, but no major damage in the floor area. So, I don't know if you got a chance to see that kitchen. We tore this part off, okay? We also tore out all the cabinets, uppers and lowers, and there was a soffit. Okay, we tore that down because we felt there would be no use. I'm gonna put some granite on top of that. And we're looking at some laminate flooring for the rest of the floor there. Bam, done, you guys. That's what I'm talking about. So here we go. Day 44, demo, done. Painter will be in tomorrow. Take a look, give me an estimate. And the laminate flooring guy will be in to give me an estimate. We're looking at $2,400 for flooring, roughly $2,400 for installation for the laminate flooring. The dumpster was, that was like $600, and my labor is gonna probably be about maybe $1,500 for today. So you can see, man, the cost of living, inflation, everything, price is high, but guess what? I wanna get this thing sold. If not, I'm gonna probably rent it again. And hey, looking to bring in about, I don't know, about $3,700 on Section 8. They got some great programs, veterans. They got some emergency housing programs. I'm like, man, that rent is good. Nice return for me. So there you guys go. Hopefully you're enjoying these videos as I'm putting them up, as they actually happen, so you can see real world today with inflated prices, wood being high, gas being high, everything's high. I'm gonna try to sell the house high. Take care, you guys. Terry, bye.